Back with a click, I'm Rebricknik. Today we are building this little bird from LEGO Dreamzzz set 71488. He looks small, but the colors are super vibrant. Let's see how fast this little creature comes to life. Are you ready? Let's click it! The snot techniques are here are actually quite clever for such a small build. And I love these mini brackets. They are so cute and give so much opportunities. Let's do the middle section and the wings. Once they click into place, I love how they stable the wings. Now take a little bit from them for the chest. Is it the chest? I don't know the English word for Rumpfbauch. Look at these cool color bracket. Now there comes the peak. Even without many stickers, the quick build details give it a lot of character. And the connection points are very solid, making the whole model feel very stable. And there he is, a fast build with some great rare modes. What do you think of this transformation? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Back with a click, I'm Rebricknik. See you in the next one.